Happy New Year, people. We're now into 2021. Wow, what a year. What a year to reflect on. But let's move forward and yeah, just move forward, hey, and it has got to be a better year than last year for sure. So, acrylic painting. I hope that you all had a really good New Year and you didn't drink too much, as we can all get carried away, can't we, with the food and drink in the festive season. But now we'll have to make up for any indulgences this new year. But let's hope that we do lots of art and creating. It's especially good for our mental health, that is for sure. So definitely art and create. And keep your mind off things, I say. It's all good. So I've mixed up my paints. I'm using the global paints. Where are we? I've added a squirt of the iridescent medium. It's got the sparkle in it, so I've just added a squeeze to all of my paint colours. And I am going to explain the colours as I go along, and I think I'm going to go the half and half, well, probably be 3/4 in this. I'm not sure what this colour is. I'll have to check it. It's like a sandy, I think it's obviously a beige colour, but I'm not sure what the actual name is. But yes, these paints are going to be available on Amazon worldwide. In Australia we can get them off Capriole Shabby Chic, so we're very lucky. I still use all the different types of paints on whatever's available, and I like to keep changing to give each thing a go and see what I like the best myself. So we're on to these paints. And I am enjoying them because they've got some really yummy colours. And as I said, they will be available via Amazon to the US and Europe and Canada by the end of January, I'm told. So bear with me, because as soon as that happens, I will let you know. And I will have an Amazon link to the paints too. Oh, I've got an itchy nose. What's that surprise? I was always told it means a surprise, but some people have told me on this channel, on my channel, when I've said that before, that it means that you're going to kiss a fool. Oh my goodness, I've kissed a lot of those in my time, but there you go. This is just a nice sort of creamy sand colour. I have made up this colour before with white, adding a little bit of orange and a little tiny bit of burnt umber. Oh, itchy, itchy. I'm going to do the top half with my navy, and I've put a good squirt of that iridescent medium in my navy to make it sparkle. There we go. Yeah, I can see it's sparkling in here, so at some point I will try to remember to bring down the camera and show you the sparkle. We've all got to have a bit of sparkle in our lives, I believe. So this is the navy that I make up out of phthalo blue, a blob of black and a blob of dark green. I will worry about my edges after. But that just gives, so it's just a different composition this time I'm trying. There you go. There you go. Right, let's get into it. I'm going to put some white down, this is just the white that I've made up with the same pouring medium. Just got it made up in this big container. I'm gonna that's it. Plenty of that, and now I'm going to throw in some bright colours, because I think when you actually see this, I will be having a birthday. So it is a big birthday to me. It's a bit daunting because I really feel I'm getting old now. But you know, as my husband said last night when I said, oh, I don't like these birthdays that you reach that have got an O in them. And he said, well, you know, there's nothing we can do about it. So absolutely nothing. And it's so true. So we've just got to be glad that we're here and that we're healthy, alive and kicking, I suppose. So we will be just going out for a family meal with the family that's actually available for my birthday. So that will be nice. Hopefully I'll take some photos and add them to videos that I maybe put up sometime this week of my little celebration. So yes, I have got there the cool red, and that's got a good squirt of the iridescent medium, and I've got the wattle yellow, and I am just about to add some orange that I put a good squirt of yellow in this because I like it to come up extra bright. I like doing these, they turn out different every time. So having a bit of negative space, I'm doing quite well with my negative space of late. Usually not good leaving negative space, but I've been okay, if I do say so myself. So this is the berry delicious that I make myself, and that is this particular one was the magenta, and I add a blob of phthalo blue, and if you want it to go even darker, black cherry looking, then you add a blob of black. And I deal in blobs, I'm sorry, I don't do measurements, and I just don't do it. And sorry about that if you are into meticulously measuring things. It's just not my style. I like to go by free and easy, enjoy the process, and not feel bogged down by numbers, figures, and doing everything meticulously. It's just not me. Okay, now what does she want to do? I'm just trying to think if I would like to actually, I might get my little skewer. It's just a bamboo skewer. I was going to put some slides in it, Aussie slides, but I think I'm going to do the skewer so I get something a little bit finer. So dragging it through the colour, you can drag it as far up your canvas as you like. Just wipe it off in between your doodling, whatever you do. It's just to add some more interest in there. Take it back through here. Oh, those oranges and yellow through this navy are pretty nice. Nice, nice, nice. I like it. Okay, I'm going to go all the way down. Because there's plenty of paint on my canvas, when you kind of drag it, the paint falls back in. So it's quite fine to do that. There you go. Some awesome cells coming in this, so it's pretty nice. Thinking, do I or do I want to give... I don't think I'm going to blow out any of this edges. I think I'm going to do a swipe in my white with floetrol, which is, this is the Amsterdam white. Just adding floetrol only. Yeah, Amsterdam and floetrol. So Let's just go down there. I've got a piece of my soft plastic file divider. It looks a bit raggy, but you can just use it over and over again. Ooh, look at those. Oh my goodness. Wow. That looks, oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's like gems. So just a nice soft swipe down with a smaller one again. Just put those gorgeous gems in there. None of this paint has got silicone in. You'll find my mix on, in the drop down box what I put in. I've used the floetrol for cells. So I'll just have one little try of a blow. Oh yeah, that softened the edges a little bit. It does look a little nicer. Oh gosh, I've got an itchy nose today. Ah, well, it always means a surprise in my books. I'm sticking with that. Might just trace these back through. I'm going to leave this to dry off a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and wow, that looks gorgeous. Balloon it. So I will be back in 1 second. So here we are. I have given a few balloon kisses, as you see. I am going to let it dry off even further. Then I'm going to come back and give it some tiny balloon kisses in those bigger balloon kisses. They always, so it doesn't look so sharp there, the effect, but it will do when I come back. But can you see the glisten in the paint? Can you see it glistening away? And then over to the navy, look at the navy glistening. It's just beautiful. Look, looky, looky, look at that. Very delicious. I just love this colour in this. And it's glistening in there. Glistening here and there. Very nice. So there we are so far. So I will just finish this off with some teeny tiny balloon kisses in the bigger balloon kisses, and you will see the photos at the end. So there you go. It is a really lovely piece, and that will be when that's fully dried, and I give it just a wipe over varnish on it, which I have videos on, and I will show you. So bye for now, until tomorrow. I'm here every day, so please join me and wait on for the dry photos. Take care.